Welcome back to the Woodworking Bible series. In this episode, we'll be taking an in-depth look at different types of wood and their characteristics. Wood comes in many different types, each with their own unique characteristics. There are basically two main types of wood, hardwood and softwood. Hardwoods, such as oak and maple, are known for their strength and durability, and are commonly used in furniture and flooring. Softwoods, such as pine and cedar, are lightweight and more flexible, and are commonly used in construction and outdoor projects. Choosing wood for a project requires evaluating its strength, durability, and appearance. The grain pattern, color, and texture all affect the final appearance, and it's crucial to consider the project's intended purpose, whether for structural or decorative use. Another type of wood to consider is reclaimed wood. Reclaimed wood is wood that has been salvaged from old buildings and structures, giving it a unique character and history. It's also important to consider the moisture content of the wood, which can affect the stability and warping of the final project. A wood with a lower moisture content is less likely to warp or crack, which makes it a better choice for projects that will be exposed to changes in temperature and humidity. Plain sawn wood is a cut that is parallel to the tree's growth rings, which results in a more varied grain pattern and a greater potential for cupping or warping. Quarter sawn wood is a cut that is perpendicular to the growth rings, which results in a more consistent grain pattern and less potential for cupping or warping. The wood is also more stable than plain sawn wood. Rift sawn wood is cut that is at a slight angle to the growth rings, which results in a straight and consistent grain pattern. It is also more stable than plain sawn wood, but less stable than quarter sawn wood. Note: the final appearance of the wood will be affected by the type of cut, with plain sawn wood having the most varied grain pattern, and rift sawn wood having the most consistent grain pattern. There are many different types of wood, each with its own unique characteristics. Some of the most common types of wood include pine. Pine is a softwood that is lightweight and easy to work with. It has a yellowish color and a straight grain pattern. It is not very durable, but it is inexpensive and commonly used for construction and furniture. Oak. Oak is a hardwood that is strong and durable. It has a reddish-brown color and a distinctive, open grain pattern. Oak is often used for flooring, cabinetry, and furniture. Maple. Maple is a hardwood that is known for its strength and durability. It has a light color, often with a slight reddish or yellowish tint. Maple has a closed, smooth grain pattern, and is often used for furniture, flooring and cutting boards. Mahogany. Mahogany is a hardwood that is known for its rich, reddish-brown color. It has a straight grain pattern and is very durable. Mahogany is often used for furniture, cabinetry, and decorative woodwork. Cherry. Cherry is a hardwood that is known for its rich, reddish-brown color. It has a closed, smooth grain pattern, and is often used for furniture, cabinetry, and decorative woodwork. Walnut. Walnut is a hardwood that is known for its rich, dark color and distinctive grain pattern. It is strong and durable, and is often used for furniture, cabinetry, and decorative woodwork. And remember, when selecting wood for your projects, it's also important to consider the sustainability and environmental impact of the wood. Consider using reclaimed or responsibly sourced wood to minimize your impact on the environment. Using reclaimed wood not only reduces the environmental impact of your project, but it also adds character and history to your work. And who knows, you may even find a hidden treasure in the form of knots, burls, or other unique features that make your project truly one of a kind. So come along with us as we explore the intricate world of woodworking, and gain some mastery of the art of working with wood. In conclusion, remember that each type of wood has its own unique characteristics and properties that make it suitable for different types of projects. By considering the strength, durability, appearance, moisture content, and cut of wood, you can ensure that you select the best wood for your project. With this knowledge, you can create beautiful and durable woodworking projects that will stand the test of time. Understanding the different types of wood and their characteristics is an important part of woodworking. By taking the time to select the right type of wood for a project and using the proper techniques for working with wood, you'll be able to create beautiful and durable projects that will last for years to come. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more woodworking tips and techniques. In the next episode, we'll be discussing some basic woodworking techniques such as measuring, cutting and sanding, so stay tuned. See you next time.